Back with the 2009 Dodge Challenger, and this will be a quick reference video for replacing the rear brake pads. You want to begin by popping the hood and removing the cover to the master brake cylinder. This rag will catch any excess brake fluid that overflows since we're removing the cap, so the pressure is relieved when we compress the caliper pistons. I use the rear diff as a jacking point to lift the entire rear end off the ground and set jack stands under the pinch wheel on either side for safety. And you'll need a 21mm socket to remove the lug nuts. You'll need a 15mm socket or wrench to remove the 2 caliper fasteners. If the bolt just spins, we have no problems, only solutions. Grab an 18mm wrench and hold this nut still. I'm compressing the caliper piston using the old brake pad and seat clamp trick, and the new pads are Duralast Gold part number DG1057C.